Enable Concierge mode for your emails if you would prefer to review listings and either approve or reject them before they're sent to your customer. From the results grid, simply click Save, then select New Auto Email. Just as if you're sending a regular auto email, you'll select the customer you wish to send the email to. You'll enter a subject line. Then you'll scroll down to the middle portion of the screen until you see Settings. Here we select Enable Concierge Mode. Now at the bottom of the screen, click on Save and go to Approvals. From here we can review all of the listings and select the ones we wish to send to our customer. We can select Approve Selected, and those 3 listings we just selected will now go immediately to our customer. You can reject listings by simply clicking on them and clicking Reject at the bottom of the screen. You'll notice you still have 15 additional listings. They will just stay here in Concierge mode until we decide what we want to do with them. Matrix alerts you of any new matches in the Concierge widget on the dashboard. Simply go to My Matrix, then Dashboard, and locate the Concierge widget. You won't have a Concierge widget until you create a Concierge email. You can also find notifications for new Concierge in this notification section next to the bell icon.